Hi, good day. My name is Chad, and today we're going to be connecting um, SQL Server 2008 to Microsoft Access. So, what you're going to start off by doing is we're going to go into Start Programs, and we're going to go and open up SQL Server 2008 and SQL Server Management Studio. Alright. Once this is opened up, we're gonna copy off the server name because we're gonna need this later on, and we're just gonna connect to the server. Alright, so now that the server is connected, on the left side we're gonna go into databases. Gonna expand that, new database. Alright, and we're just gonna give our database a name. I'm gonna name mine Chad. Alright, we're gonna go down, press OK. Alright, so now that we've created a database, you can see it showing up on the left side under the databases. We're gonna expand this, whatever you name it, and we're gonna go into tables. You're gonna right click and you're gonna press new tables. Okay, once this is loaded up, this is where you're gonna give the table all their field names. So I'm just gonna put in 3. I'm gonna start off with first name, we're gonna give it a data type, alright, we're gonna go into type in last name now. Alright, and the other one we're gonna put in is gender. So first name, last name, gender. I give all of yours a data type. Let me just change the first name from text and put the same for the gender. Alright, now that I've done that, you're gonna click on save, and I'm gonna just name my table people and press OK. Alright, from here now we're gonna open up Microsoft Access. But this is the table that we have created. Under tables, we're gonna edit the table. So you're gonna right click, you're gonna edit top 200, and you can see here that you have the field names that you put in. So you have first name, last name, and gender. Alright, now we're going into Microsoft Access. So just go into Start, Microsoft Office, open up your Microsoft Access, and you need to run it as an administrator, by the way. Alright, for this to work, so we're gonna leave it at database 1 and click on create. Alright, now that we've done this, you're going into external data and you want to go on ODBC. Alright, so we're gonna go into ODBC databases. Alright, and you have two options here. You can either import or you can link. So for here we want to link it because we're linking the SQL Server and Microsoft Access. Alright, this way the data can be updated. So you're clicking on link and we're gonna click on OK. Alright, this brings up select data source. Alright, you're gonna click on that second tab and just click on OK. Alright, gonna keep everything the way it is. Click next and you're scrolling down to SQL Server, selected, press next and click on finish. Alright, now you have three options here. We have to name it. You can give a description. I'm just gonna name my project, and on the description I'm gonna put it as assignment. For the server part now, this is where you use the same server that we connected to from MySQL server. Alright, if you don't name it properly, you're gonna get errors. It's not gonna connect. So this is why I copied mine first. So you just paste it in there and click on next. Alright, click on next again, and in here you're gonna change the default database. Alright, you're gonna change the default database to the database that you named yours in SQL Server before. So I named mine chart. I'm just gonna select that, and then we're gonna click on next. Alright, click on next again and you're gonna test the data. Test has been completed successfully. You click on OK. Click on OK again. Alright, this is our project and the description assignment. Click on OK. Alright, and you're gonna select people as the name of my table, and you click OK to link the tables. And from here you want to select all your data all the data types that you put in, all the fields. So first name, last name, and gender. Select that and you press OK. And then you're on the right, you're gonna double click. Alright, when you double click, you're gonna see all the field names coming up that we had from SQL Server that we created. And we're just gonna input some information into there. So first name Chad, last name McDowell, gender male, and we're gonna put in 2 more. Alright, once we do this now, we want to go and save it. So go ahead and click save at the top and minimize access, and we're going to need to close off SQL Server and start it back up. From there we can see, we're supposed to see if it works properly. We're supposed to see the data that we inputted. Alright, so open up SQL Server, we're gonna connect. Alright, press connect to connect to your server and see if it works. Go into databases, I go into chart, the one I created, tables, and the people. You're gonna right click on that and we're gonna edit. And from there we go. That is all the information that I typed in, and that's how you connect SQL